Today guys, I'm going to be attempting to fix my 98 Grand Cherokee. It's got a blown head gasket, even though it's all brand new including a head. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try a product to see if it'll fix it. What's up everybody, it's your boy Brandon back with another video, and today, oops, almost fell down. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to try a new product that I bought. And I've seen a lot of reviews on this from a few years ago, and it seems to work really well. I've had several people recommend it to me as well. So I'm going to open this box up. It's called Bars Stop Leak, and it's a head gasket seal stuff. It comes in a big bottle, and it's a blown head gasket repair thing. So you can get it for about 30 bucks, 40 bucks ish at like O'Reilly's or AutoZone or wherever. This is the box that it comes in. So it's got like the head seal, blown head gasket repair. It's supposed to be a permanent fix, so it's reinforced with carbon fibers. And you dump this down your radiator, and what it does is that when it flows through the coolant system, wherever it finds a crack in your head or whatever, it's supposed to fix it or seal it. So right now I got a 4.0 inline 6 in my 98, and I recently just bought a used head. It has 160,000 miles on it, and this, I believe, is to be warped because it doesn't have any cracks. And then what else I did? Put a new head gasket in it, a valve cover gasket. Yes, I'm missing a couple bolts. That one snapped. But other than that, we're going to go ahead and try this out. Alright, so there's going to be better videos on YouTube than what I'm going to be able to do. But I want to point out something. My Jeep is much different than any of the other videos that you will see with this Bars Stop Leak stuff. My Jeep is going to be the ultimate test. It has more white smoke than much others, and so that being said, we're going to give her a shot. And I'm going to show you what it looks like smoking right before we do it. I won't have it running long because the stop leak requires the engine to be cold. Alright, so as you saw, my Jeep smokes quite a bit, and here's the thing, it smoked a whole lot more yesterday. So today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Just as a cool heads up, this is what we're going to be testing next in my 98 Grand Cherokee in the next video. Okay, so I'm going to follow the directions carefully, and then here's another thing here. So you can see that it tells you how much to use, so we need to use one bottle because our system takes 11 quarts. And we're following instructions, so it says use only in a cold engine. We need to shake the bottle, and before we start the motor, after we pour this into the radiator, we need to turn the heater in hot and the fan to high, and then we need to run the engine until the thermostat opens, and then we have a normal operating temperature. It could take like 30 minutes. And then we need to top off the radiator and add coolant, and then we need to leave it cool for as long as it takes, and then we need to run again. So this doesn't take, instantaneously. When we shut it off after it warms up, it might still be smoking. This stuff needs time to dry and seal up the cracks. So I'm going to shake it really well, and I'm going to do this for about a minute. Okay. So I've shaken up this product, my fan's on high, heat's all the way on, and because it smokes so much and it smells and there's fumes coming out, putting it on circulation, so it only uses the air from in here. We'll have the door closed while we're doing this. Alright guys, with the Jeep running, we have our heater on high, all that, and look at all that white smoke coming out of there. I hope it seals instantly. So we're going to see how long this takes for the cycles to open. I'm going to use my phone, and I'm going to get my OBD out so I know when the thermostat opens. Okay, so this isn't a good thing, but we're running a little high on RPMs at idle. My foot is not on the gas. But the smoking has stopped. Wow! I cannot believe that this is true. This is a miracle in a bottle. And our RPMs are way too high right now, but hey, it works. I'm gonna shut it off a minute. And then I'm gonna start it back up because that was pretty dang high. Uh-oh, that's not good. I have no idea why it's doing that, but that is amazing. Bar stop leak, shout out to you guys. I know I bought this myself and I am impressed. That's awesome, guys. Keep up the good work. So, as a closing to the video here, do I think that this stuff works? Yes, I believe it does. Because I can run this thing and it won't smoke, which is my goal. Because the whole time I poured a good 600 bucks into this thing and used parts. Well, the head was used, but it wasn't cracked. I also put new gaskets on. I did a lot of other work to it, and I could not get this thing to stop overheating and stop smoking when it was holding coolant, which it didn't with the old head. Anyway, guys, bar stop leak head gasket fix. That is a thumbs up. I rate that 5-star. It was easy to use, even in this cold 30-degree weather, and it sucks. But anyways, guys, I'm really pleased with the product and how it came out. My Jeep is running smooth again, despite my throttle issue, which is not related to that repair that I just showed you guys. But I am extremely pleased. My Jeep is running like a clock. No smoking, holding coolant. I could not be any more tickled than what 40 bucks could have gotten me here. So anyways, guys, like, share, and subscribe. I know, I have to hold up 4 fingers for 3. So anyways, guys, like, share, subscribe. We're just gonna send it as always. See you guys in the next video. Alright, guys, just as a quick disclaimer, I will be reviewing this product later on again while I've drove my Jeep for a while, because this stuff's gonna work and I hope it lasts a long time. So if I have any issues with it, I'm going to put a video out there for you guys, and when I get to, like, I'll say 5,000-10,000 mile mark, and if it's still running good and strong or whatever the deal might be, I'll post another video showing exactly what I did. So anyways, like, share, subscribe again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. What do you think? Want to go for a ride? You know what that means. Yeah, good girl. You want a treat? You got a treat.